Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2018 Ford F550 we have for sale. This truck is a four-wheel drive, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's got 178,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot nap height body with a 7621 Stellar crane. Hydraulic outriggers. It's got a C-Tech toolbox in it. It's a one-owner truck out of Texas. It's rust-free. When we got it, the transmission was bad in it. Got it in, drove it, shifting real hard, so we put a new Ford transmission in it. I've got the paperwork on that. I think it's got a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on it. So let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control, all that stuff. extension out, extension in, winch up. So you got PTO, work lights, compressor, crane, strobe lights. All right, hood's open. I'll shut it after the video. All right, if you're interested in this truck, you can give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of this truck. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board and wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Wisconsin, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave with it as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we'll get them picked up immediately. Just know, I can't look into a crystal ball and tell you when somebody's going to pick this thing up the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. I can tell you on average, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. But if you want to come pick it up in person, you're also welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring cash, cashier's check, or do a wire transfer. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be certified funds. Excuse me. So I guess that's about it on this one. Just if you are interested, you can call or text 256-310-6852. This is a 2018 Ford F550. 4-wheel drive, 6.7 diesel, 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, extended cab truck, which is nice, new transmission. So give me a call if you're interested, and thanks for watching. 256-310-6852.